it is very interesting to know that in our culture, the festivals and many of the rituals, seasons, like Ayurveda practice or spiritual practices are based on the lunar calendar. Lunar calendar, I mean by the movement of the moon for 15 days from Purnima to Amavasya and Amavasya to Purnima. So in this connection, when we talk about Tithi Nitya Upasana, I want to give you a very beautiful information by knowing which you will be, in wonderment that many of your day-to-day practices and festivals are all so closely connected to Tithi Nitya Upasana. So that is the intention of giving you this chart, which says 16 kalas or digits, how they are ruled by the 16 Nitya Devis. So now we have to know which are these 16 kalas and who are these 16 Nitya Devis and their names. So 16 Nitya Devis are as follows: Kameshwari, Bhagamalini, Nityaklinna, Bherunda, Vahini Vasini, Mahavajreshwari, Shivaduti, Twarita, Kulasundari, Nitya Nitya, Neelapataka, Vijaya, Sarvamangala, Jwala Malini, Chitra or Chidrupa. 2 names are there for her. And after these 15 Nityas, the 16th, who is the transcendental one, is called by the name Lalita Maha Nitya. Now, these 15 or 16 Devis who are designated are referred to and they are connected to the Samskrita Varnamala. So you all know what is Varnamala. The alphabets in a language, in a very simple term. So we all realize that all our Indian languages, local and otherwise, are all basically connected to one mother language by name Samskrita. Samskrita is not just a language of communication or for day-to-day use. It is much more than that. Samskrita language is termed as Devanagara Lipi, means Devanagara alphabets. It means it's a language to communicate with the Devas of the other worlds. That means it is a language of vibrations. It is a language of mantras. It is a language of many mysterious spiritual practices. So in a Varnamala, you find that there are Swaras and Vyanjanas. That is, Swaras means vowels. They are 16 in number. Consonants or Vyanjanas, 25 in number, and in each class it is 5. It is called Ka, Cha, Ta, Ta, Pa, Varga. Starts with Ka, starts with Cha, like that Ka, Cha, Ta, Ta, Pa. That makes 25 consonants. And then you have siblings and other varieties. So this makes the Varnamala. We consider sometimes 49 letters or sometimes 50 letters, sometimes 51, depending on the context in terms of mantra or letters. The most interesting part in this Varnamala connected to Tithi Nitya Upasana is the first 16 vowels. Am, Im, Im, Rum, Rom, Lrum, Lrom, Em, Aim, Om, Aum, Aha. So these 16 vowels, they refer to the 16 deities running from Kameshwari to Lalita Maha Nitya. So, stands for Kameshwari. Am is connected to Bhagamalini. Im for Nityaklinna. And Bherunda is associated with Im. Vahini Vasini with Mahavajreshwari with Shivaduti, Rum, Twarita, Rum, Kulasundari, Rum, Nitya Nitya, Rum, Neelapataka, Yem, Vijaya, Aim, Sarvamangala, Om, Jwala Malini, Aum. Then Chitra Nitya is and then Mahanitya is Aha. So, to Aha, the 16 vowels are not just letters or alphabets, but they have tremendous amount of energy or Shakti. So, in Tantric perspective, these 16 vowels are considered as Shiva alphabets or Shivaksharas, and consonants and siblings are called the Devi or Shakti letters. Sibilants also equally have powerful position in the Varnamala. So this is another total different chapter of understanding or wisdom by name Matrika Chakra that we can talk about in some other context. And these Shodasha Nityas with their 16 letters have Somakala, means Soma digits, and Sadashiva digits at a very esoteric understanding of this practice. So, Kameshwari Nitya with letter and her Soma digits, that is the digit of the moon, is called Amrita Kala. What I mean by this? When you look at the sky after the day of Purnima, which is Padya, and Kameshwari Nitya, the deity rules over this day, and the crescent moon that you see in the sky is named as Amrita Kala. And the Sadashiva Kala, that means related to Shiva, is known as Nivritti Kala. Each name has a great significance in this Titi Nitya practice in terms of spiritual understanding. Bhagamalini with is named as Manada Somakala. And Sadashiva Kala is Pratishta Sadashiva Kala. Third one, Nitya Klinna Nitya Devi, Im letter. She is known by the name Pusha Somakala, Vidya Sadashiva Kala. Bherunda with Im letter, Tushti Kala and Shanti Sadashiva Kala. Vahinivasini with she is Pushti Somakala and Indhika Sadashiva Kala. Mahavajreshwari with the letter Rati Kala or Rati Somakala and Deepika Sadashiva Kala. Shivaduti with is Dhruti Somakala with Rechika Nivritti Kala. Rechika Sadashiva Kala. Tvarita with letter, Shashini Somakala, Mochika Sadashiva Kala. Kulasundari with the letter has Chandrika Somakala, Para Sadashiva Kala. Nitya Nitya Devi, Kanta Somakala, Sukshma Sadashiva Kala. Nilapataka, Jyosna Somakala, Sukshmamrita Sadashiva Kala. Vijaya Nitya, Aim Shri Kala, Jnanamrita Sadashiva Kala. Sarva Mangala, Om letter, Preeti Somakala and Jnanamrita Sadashiva Kala. Jwala Malini Nitya with the letter Aum Angada Kala and Apyayani Sadashiva Kala. 15th one, Chitra Nitya Devi, letter, she is Purna Somakala and Vyapini Sadashiva Kala. These are the 15 digits and 15 Nitya Devis. The 16th one is Lalita Mahanitya with the letter Aha. She is addressed as Purnamrita Somakala and Vyomarupa Sadashiva Kala. So what is the most interesting about this chart is each name, whether it is Kameshwari or Amrita Somakala or Nivritti Kala, Nivritti Sadashiva Kala or Bhagamalini, Manada Kala, Pratishta Sadashiva Kala, up to the 16th one, Purnamrita Kala and Vyomaropa Sadashiva Kala. They are all highly technical in understanding the spiritual practice of Titi Nitya, Lalita Mahanitya, Upasana. Each name has a different and deeper meaning, which are like the landmarks or milestones in your practices, and also related to the Rahasya or the mystery of Lalita Mahanitya practice called inner illumination stages. So this is a very interesting and very thrilling and entertaining practice also.